Good morning. Hope you're having a good Thursday so far. I just wanted to have a quick video to help you with your Trig review number 2. It's possible you are good to go on this and you don't need my help, but I thought I would do it anyways for those of you who do. So let me talk a little bit about what we're working with. Remember, we had sine was opposite of theta was opposite over hypotenuse, cosine was adjacent over hypotenuse, and tan was opposite over adjacent. That's what we're working with, but we are going to focus today and a lot on this class on special angles, 45s, 30s, 60s. Okay, that's where we're going today. And these special angles have common ratios here. So we don't need to use these formulas or these ratios because we know that they're common ratios. And I gave you this Trig 1-pager yesterday. It's also in the back. And this gives you that common ratio we have on a 30-60-90 or a 45-45-90. And we can use these common ratios to help us find sides pretty quick. So 30-60-90 is the 30. Opposite side is 1. The hypotenuse is always double that. And the 60 side is root 3 times the short side. I call these the short side and then the long side here. 45-45-90 has the same legs, 1 and 1, and the hypotenuse is times root 2. So let's take a look at this. So if I'm looking at this one here, this means I know that this is a 45-90. I know that the legs are going to have the same length. So if this leg here is a 2 root 2, then I know that this leg is a 2 root 2. And I know that the hypotenuse is going to be root 2 times the leg. So this would be 2 root 2 times root 2, which is the same as root 4, which is also a 2, which is times this 2, which if I clean it up looks like a 4. So you're always working off that. On your 45-45-90s, we've got the legs are the same. The hypotenuse is times root 2. If I was working backwards, this is my hypotenuse, 4. So I know that this leg would be 4 divided by root 2. This one here would be 4 divided by root 2. And if you want to rationalize it, you did that last year, you can. You can also leave it. It's fine leaving them with a square root in the denominator. Now let me scroll down. Let's say I want to do a 30, 60, 90. Here's my 30, or here's a 60, so I know that this is a 30. Now I know that the 30 side is half of the hypotenuse, or the hypotenuse is double the half. So if this is a 16, then I know this is an 8. And I know that the long side leg, the larger leg, is root 3 times the short leg. So if that's an 8, then I know that that's an 8 root 3. All right, I'm going to leave it at that. You do what you can. You do your best. The answers are in Google Classroom, so check them as you go. I will answer all questions on Tuesday when we all get back together. Thanks. Have a great day.